Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Talking.
Hi, listeners. Happy holidays.
I'm David.
And I'm Olivia.
Brr, it's cold today.
Very cold. It's winter.
I hate winter.
You always say that.
Because it's true. Cold, dark, wet.
But winter is also beautiful. Snow, Christmas, New Year.
Okay, New Year is good.
See? And that's our topic today. Winter routines and New Year celebrations.
How our daily life changes in winter.
Spoiler, I stay inside more.
Of course you do. But before we start, listeners,
Please subscribe to our channel.
it's winter. Stay warm and subscribe.
And leave a comment. Tell us about your winter routine.
Okay, let's begin.
David, how do your mornings change in winter?
They become terrible
Terrible? Why?
because it's dark and cold.
It's dark in the morning?
Very dark. My alarm rings at 7 a.m. Still dark outside.
That's true. In summer, it's bright at 7 a.m.
Exactly. In winter, it feels like nighttime.
So it's harder to wake up?
Much harder. I press snooze 5 times.
5 times?
My body says it's still night. Go back to sleep. What about you, Olivia? Your winter mornings?
I wake up at the same time, 6 a.m.
Even in winter?
Yes, I don't change.
But it's so dark.
I turn on all the lights. Problem solved.
You're too energetic.
What do you wear in winter mornings?
Everything. All the clothes.
All the clothes?
Yes, t-shirt, sweater, jacket, scarf, hat.
Inside your house?
Yes, my apartment is cold.
Turn on the heating.
Heating is expensive.
So you wear 5 layers instead?
Exactly. Cheaper.
That's silly.
Maybe, but it works.
I love winter clothes.
You do?
Yes, cozy sweaters, warm boots, scarves.
But they're heavy.
But they're comfortable.
And it takes forever to get dressed.
That's true. In summer, 5 minutes. In winter, 15 minutes.
What do you eat in winter?
Different food.
Like what?
Soups, stews, hot meals.
Me too. I love soup in winter.
What kind?
Chicken soup, tomato soup, any hot soup.
Soup is perfect for cold days.
And I drink more tea.
More tea?
Yes, in summer I drink cold water. In winter, hot tea.
What kind of tea?
Black tea with milk.
Very British.
I know.
I drink hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate?
Yes, every evening with marshmallows.
That sounds delicious.
It is very sweet and warm.
What do you do for fun in winter?
I stay home more.
Me too.
In summer, I go out every day. Park, cafe, friends.
But in winter?
Home. Netflix, books, blankets.
That's my favorite. Cozy at home.
Do you go out at all?
Only when necessary.
Like when?
Work, supermarket, that's it.
No social life?
Not in winter, too cold.
I still meet friends.
Outside?
No, at their houses, or they come to mine.
Indoor gatherings.
Yes, we watch movies together, cook dinner together.
That sounds nice.
Very cozy. Now, let's talk about New Year.
My favorite part of winter.
Mine too. When do you start preparing?
Late December, around December 28th or 29th.
So late.
I'm a last-minute person.
I start earlier, December 20th.
2 weeks early?
Yes, I like to plan.
What do you prepare?
First, I clean my apartment.
Clean?
Yes, deep cleaning, every room.
For New Year?
Yes, start the new year with a clean house.
I don't do that.
I can tell.
My apartment is acceptable.
Acceptable.
Okay, it's messy, but it's my mess.
Do you buy special food for New Year?
Yes, I go to the supermarket on December 31st.
The worst day.
I know, so crowded.
Why don't you go earlier?
Because I forget.
Typical David.
What do you buy for New Year?
Champagne, snacks, nice food.
Like what?
Cheese, crackers, olives, chocolate.
Fancy.
New Year deserves fancy food.
I buy pizza.
Pizza? For New Year?
What's wrong with pizza?
It's not special.
Pizza is always special.
You're impossible. What do you do on New Year's Eve?
This year, I'm staying home.
Home? Not going to a party?
No parties. Too crowded, too expensive.
So you'll be alone?
No, with friends. Small gathering. At my apartment.
How many friends?
4 or 5.
That's nice. Cozy.
What about you?
I'm going to a party.
A big party?
Yes, at a friend's house. About 20 people.
20 people? That's too many.
It's fun. Music, dancing.
Sounds exhausting.
Not exhausting. Exciting.
You know, last New Year's Eve was crazy.
Crazy? What happened?
I tried to cook a fancy dinner.
You cook fancy?
Yes, I can cook fancy.
Can you?
Well, I tried to cook fancy.
Oh no, what happened?
It was a disaster.
I need to hear this story.
Do we have to tell it?
Yes, after the coffee break.
Fine.
Coffee break time.
Perfect. I need coffee.
We'll be back shortly. And we're back.
Welcome back, listeners.
Time for David's cooking disaster story.
Can we skip it?
No, it's too good. Okay, so this was last year, New Year's Eve 2024.
Yes, December 31st, 2024.
David decided to cook a fancy dinner for his friends.
I wanted to impress them.
What did you try to cook?
Roast chicken with vegetables and potatoes.
That's ambitious.
I watched a YouTube video. It looked easy.
It looked easy.
So I bought everything. Chicken, potatoes, carrots, onions.
Good start.
I started cooking at 5 p.m. Guests were coming at 8 p.m.
3 hours. Plenty of time.
That's what I thought.
What went wrong?
First, the chicken was frozen.
Frozen?
I forgot to defrost it.
Oh no.
So I put it in warm water to defrost it faster.
Did it work?
Not really. It took 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yes, so now it's 7 p.m. Guests coming at 8 p.m. Chicken is still raw.
This is already a disaster.
It gets worse.
Worse?
I put the chicken in the oven, very high heat, to cook it fast.
Worried. How high?
Maximum 250 degrees.
Shocked. That's too hot.
I know that now.
What happened?
After 20 minutes, I smelled smoke.
Smoke?
The chicken was burning.
Oh no.
Black on the outside, raw on the inside.
That's terrible.
And the alarm started beeping.
The alarm?
Yes, beep, 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 so loud.
What did you do?
I opened all the windows. It was freezing, snow outside.
In winter?
I had no choice.
What time was it?
7:50. Guests arriving in 10 minutes.
And no food.
No food, just a burnt chicken.
What did you do?
I called for pizza delivery.
Pizza?
Emergency pizza.
Did it arrive in time?
At 8:30, my friends were already there.
What did they say?
They laughed a lot.
I bet they did.
But the pizza was good.
At least you had food.
Never again. No more fancy cooking.
What did you learn from this?
Defrost the chicken.
Yes, very important.
And don't use maximum heat.
Follow the recipe.
And always have a backup plan.
Like pizza?
Exactly. Pizza saves everything.
You and your pizza.
Let's talk about New Year traditions.
Different countries have different traditions.
In Spain, people eat 12 grapes.
12 grapes?
Yes, at midnight, 1 grape per second.
Why?
For good luck, 1 grape for each month.
That's interesting. What about other countries?
In Scotland, they have Hogmanay.
Hogmanay?
Yes, a big celebration with fireworks.
Sounds fun.
And in Denmark, people break plates.
Break plates?
Yes, they throw old plates at friends' doors.
Why?
For good luck.
That's strange.
I know, but it's tradition.
What do British people do for New Year?
We watch Big Ben.
Big Ben?
Yes, the clock tower, on TV.
At midnight?
Exactly. Everyone counts down.
10, 9, 8.
3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Then what?
Then we sing Old Lang Syne,
What's that?
a traditional Scottish song.
Do you know the words?
Not really, I just mumble.
Everyone mumbles.
It's tradition.
Do you make New Year resolutions?
Every year.
Do you keep them?
No,
Why not?
because they're too difficult.
Like what?
Last year, I said exercise every day.
And?
I lasted 1 week.
1 week?
This year, I'm being realistic.
What's your resolution?
Exercise once a week.
That's much better.
I think I can do that.
My resolution is to learn more Spanish.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Let's talk about evening routines in winter.
Good idea.
What do you do in winter evenings?
I come home from work around 6 p.m.
It's already dark.
Yes, dark at 4 p.m. in winter.
I hate that.
Me too. So I turn on all the lights.
What else?
I make dinner, hot soup or pasta.
Warm food.
Then I watch TV.
What do you watch?
Christmas movies, holiday shows.
In December?
Yes, festive movies, very cozy.
I watch football.
Even in winter?
Especially in winter. Indoor sport.
How do you stay warm in winter?
Blankets. Many blankets.
How many?
3 or 4.
That's a lot.
I hate being cold.
What else?
Hot water bottle.
Hot water bottle?
Yes, you fill it with hot water, put it in your bed.
To warm the bed?
Exactly. Very nice.
I use an electric blanket.
Electric blanket?
Yes, it heats up. Very warm.
That sounds expensive.
A little, but worth it. Any advice for New Year celebrations?
Yes, don't cook fancy food.
Order pizza?
Exactly.
Real advice, spend time with people you love.
Friends, family,
Celebrate together.
and don't stress.
New Year should be fun, not stressful.
Exactly.
Quick vocabulary.
Routine. Things you do regularly. My winter routine is different.
Cozy, warm and comfortable. My apartment is cozy in winter.
Defrost. To unfreeze something. I forgot to defrost the chicken.
Celebrate, to do something fun for a special day. We celebrate New Year with friends.
Tradition. A custom passed down over time. Eating grapes is a Spanish tradition.
That's all for today.
Thanks for listening.
We talked about winter routines.
And my cooking disaster.
Never forget the disaster.
And New Year traditions.
What are your winter routines?
How do you celebrate New Year?
Leave a comment.
And subscribe.
Stay warm this winter.
And have a wonderful New Year.
Goodbye.